All right, look at these little guys out here. All this nice fresh snow. Right, you guys? Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if I can zoom in while it's recording. No, I can't. That's okay.
Where'd she go?
I don't know. She went exploring.
She's over. I wonder, you know what? They'll probably stay in the calf hutch up here. Maybe I'll just throw the hay in there.
Yeah.
Get all hay in there. I don't think it's going to be too cold. No. They'll probably stay.
Got 2 stragglers. Come on, little babies. You can do it. Come on. Oh man, that wind is warm. The sun's warm. This is nice. Oh! Yeah, it's a little deep there. Don't put your head through that fence, baby. Everybody's over here. There's your mommy. Your mommy's like, hey kids, this is awesome. You go check all your little babies, honey. Go check them all out. Aww, she's liking it. Isn't that sweet? Oh, there always has to be one. Following mom. Look at that. Now this is so good for them. So cute. You are so cute. Hi, lovies.
She likes it.
She's having a good time. Look at her. Aww. So sweet.
I'll put some hay down in this one as well.
Look at these 2 over by the fence
Yeah,
trying to put their heads through. They're so silly. These little babies are doing amazing. They've been eating lots of raw meat and they've just fattened right up. Like, it's unbelievable. You guys are so cute. I gotta go rescue some babies over here. Oh boy.